While on our way to Munnar, we found this wonderful sandalwood farm which was surrounded by fence where you can smell the essence of sandalwood in air. This place is very eye catching.
फैक्ट्री के वर्करों का सायरन है वो 12 बजे मिल के
While climbing the Munnar hill, you'll come across different tea plantations and wonderful landscape view, green lush mountains, and if you're lucky enough, you can spot elephants in the mountains, but you should have a sharp vision to get a glimpse of elephants in that mountains. So luckily we stopped at a tea store by the name Ripple. So they have an outlet based out on different locations. So that is one of the major company where you can find green tea or different type of tea powders and all this stuff. So if you get a chance, take a small break over there and look around. If you can use a telescopic camera or lens, then you can spot elephants in the wild. So we came across different elephants. So this is basically the ground for the Ripple outlet, and you can see a waterfall over there, and we have spotted couple of elephants in the wild in the on the mountains. So it was very difficult to spot them, but as we spent a lot of time, we were very tired after driving for so long, but we tried our level best to get the most out of the view what we are experiencing. The view is very fascinating, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it throughout. So we came across different set of elephants on the mountains, which was very beautiful, which was very eye catching. But overall, if you are an adventure person and if you like green mountains, green lush mountains, wildlife and all, you should definitely visit Munnar, and on your way experience whatever we gained is it's very outstanding. So as they say that Munnar or Kerala is country of God, and that is it stands up to its expectation. This place will never let you down. Wildlife or whatever it is, even the people are very supportive, very helpful. All you need to do is have a clear communication with them, and any moment they are there to help you. So I like visiting South India as well as North India, but all the places around India are very beautiful. All you need to do is take some time out, enjoy the nature, spend some time with it, and make sure you enjoy every bit and pieces of what you're experiencing. So you'll experience a lot of things. So we have seen a herd of elephants on mountain. We had to zoom somewhere around 100% on a Samsung Galaxy S22 to get this. The moment you start climbing these mountains, the temperature keeps on dropping and it will get way more colder the moment you reach the top of the mountains. But everywhere, the hills are covered with tea plantation, which are very mesmerizing, and it will give you a good view. If you're a nature lover, you should definitely visit Munnar. Munnar is a place that should be present in everyone's checklist if they are a nature lover and who would like to explore different places. This place will bring you very close to nature. As you can see over here, we are going through a massive widespread tea plantation, along with that you can see wonderful landscape. It was like, see, words and camera cannot describe this place. The only thing which can describe this place is your presence and your experience, what you get when you go at this place. This place is very, like, I'm not getting enough words to describe. So, based out in Munnar, it has the second highest South India peak mountain. So, half of the mountain is in Tamil Nadu and half of the mountain is in Kerala. But this place and the landscape, what you get over here, I can say that I've been to Ladakh, but this is completely different. This place has its own beauty. You will enjoy nature to the core. The level of oxygen in air is 100%, and the visibility was very clear. ये जगह की खूबसूरती ना आप कोई शब्दों में बयान कर सकते, ना आप जब तक आप अपनी आँखों से इस जगह को नहीं देखेंगे, आप रियलाइज़ नहीं करेंगे कि ये जगह कितनी खूबसूरत है। ना ये कैमरा जस्टिफाई कर सकता, ना किसी का एक्सपीरियंस। मतलब जब आप वहाँ पे रहेंगे, ये चीज़ देखेंगे अपने खुद की आँखों से, आप खुद रियलाइज़ करते कि कितनी खूबसूरत जगह है ये। द मोमेंट हम लोग जैसा जैसा पहाड़ चढ़ते जा रहे थे एंड वी आर गेटिंग क्लोज टू क्लाउड्स, जो आसमान के करीब हो रहे थे, टेम्परेचर भी कम होते जा रहा था एंड द टेम्परेचर वाज समवेयर अराउंड 16 डिग्रीज ओवर देयर. सो वी वेर गोइंग इन क्लाउड्स राइट नाउ. वंडरफुल प्लेस, एक्सपीरियंस आप खुद करिए जाके, बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है. My words cannot justify, and this camera also cannot justify how beautiful this place is. So experience it with your own eyes. You can understand what I mean to say over here. You will come across many different wild animals on your way, but there's no point of getting scared, but enjoy the nature to the core. See, I have come across many different things on our way. Like, it's a request to anyone who's traveling to these beautiful destinations. Don't pollute this nature.
ये हम लोग पहुंचे मुन्नार के रास्ते में. ऐसा मंजर दिख रहा कि पूरा कोहरा ही कोहरा में सब चीज़ कवर्ड है एंड बहुत ज़्यादा ही मतलब थिक फॉग है. ये छोटा मोटा वाटरफॉल है जो ऊपर से आ रहा, देख सकते हैं आप लोग. फ्रेश वाटर है, वो पानी भी बहुत क्रिस्टल क्लियर है. ये कोई की करिए कारचोटी के कामा किसी ना किसी के तो रहते है. कोई ना कोई वटका के पानी का बॉटल अच्छा दिखना वाले थे. खैर प्लास्टिक से, लेकिन नेचर तो ख़राब कर रहे लोग. बहरहाल देखने के लिए खुद अच्छी जगह है. एंड आपको कैसा दिख रहा? आप पहली वक्त तो फॉग में आए थे. हाँ, अब वो पानी में हाथ नको डालो. चलो अयान, चलो माँ, चलो. ये हमारी गाड़ी.